Hi, welcome back to Charit Automation Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain the differences between HSSF and XSSF workbooks. So in the context of QA automation, specifically when working with Apache POI for handling Excel files, HSSF and XSSF are two different libraries used to manipulate Excel spreadsheets. So here is the detailed comparison between these two formats. So HSSF means horrible spreadsheet format and XSSF means XML spreadsheet format. So these are the main features present between these two formats. So coming to the first feature, that is format. So it supports HS format supports .xls files, whereas XS format supports .xlsx format. And coming to the Excel version supported, so HS format supports Excel files from 97 to 2003 version, and XS format supports 2007 and later versions. And coming to the file size, using HS, so we can create up to 65,536 rows and 256 columns, whereas XS format supports around 10 lakhs rows and 16,384 columns. And coming to the performance, so HS format supports smaller files and XS format supports larger data sets. That means larger files. And coming to the memory usage, so HS format is more memory efficient as it is dealing with smaller files, and XS format uses more memory. And these are the key differences like file format, Excel version, capacity, and memory and performance. So HS, as it supports .xls and XS format supports .xlsx. And coming to this Excel version, so HS is better for older Excel versions and XS is better for newer Excel versions. And coming to the capacity, so HS has limitations on rows and columns, whereas XS supports much larger spreadsheets. And coming to the memory and performance, so HS can be more efficient for smaller data sets, but XS is better for handling larger data sets despite potential higher memory consumption. And coming to the uses in QA automation, so we have like legacy systems, modern systems, and coming to the one more point, data volume. So in QA automation, so the choice between HSSF and XSSF would depending on the specific requirements of the test scenario. So if you are using legacy systems, then it's better to go with .xls files. And so if it is a modern systems, then so as they are using newer Excel formats, then XS format is suitable. And coming to the data volume, so for handling large data sets and more complex spreadsheets, XS is preferred due to its capacity and scalability. And coming to the practical example, so we can create objects of HS workbook and sheets like this using HSSF workbook and HSSF sheet, and we can read the data present in this Excel files like this using file output stream. And coming to the XS format, then we can create objects of workbook and sheet using these objects like XSSF workbook and XSSF sheet. And similarly, we can use file output stream to read the contents of Excel files. And coming to Maven dependencies, to work with HSSF, then we have to download, like we have to use this dependency. So artifact ID is POI. And if you want to use XS format, then so it should be like POIO XML. So this in this way we can use these dependencies. Yeah, so that's it in this video, and yeah, thank you for watching. So if you like these videos, then please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you.